Every week, we scour the internet to find the most amazing, creative, and jaw-dropping content developed in Unity. This is Game Dev HQ, and enjoy the best of Made with Unity. Leading off, Greek is almost here, and today they are showing off new puzzle mechanics that have been added for different characters. Roll knocks it out of the park with this Connect VFX graph demonstration. Etherborn continues to grow and amaze us with every single update. Hyper Games just dropped Smoothie Time, a wonderful children's book out now on the iOS and Google Play Store. Studio Tatsu tests their driving system with this Mustang versus an insane 100-foot loop. Andrej's rainy weather nighttime driving game simulation is truly captivating. Ion Land's low poly urban environments are absolutely crushing it. Peter Hahn reveals the first teaser for Mileage for GDC 2019.
Gasoline-soaked combat racing. Mileage.
Enrique's VR elements are fully functional and are a joy to watch. Unfold Games asks, are you ready to enter the world of lucid dreaming this summer? Naraven Games released a beta of their latest VR game. Kodai's latest single, And the Story Continues, was released and is available for download. Congratulations. Meet Veer. He likes to blow things up and be awesome. We love Veer. Amazing work as always. #Drive. the game that simply owned GDC and made in Unity.
Yeah, the road to nowhere. The further you go, the better. Looks like we just grew some tail. No, really? Just keep going.
Stop the car now. I repeat, stop the car now.
Hold on. The further, the better.
This was the best of Made with Unity. Be sure to hashtag Made with Unity, and we will do our best to share your creation with the entire game dev world. We are Game Dev HQ, and we are out of here. See you next week.